The 3 Best Keychron Keyboards of 2024. Keychron's mechanical keyboards, spanning the premium Q series to the budget-friendly K series, offer diverse layouts from compact 40% to full-size 100%. Emphasizing customization, they empower users to tailor their typing experience. Some models include toolkits for easy deconstruction, providing a gateway into the custom keyboard realm. This commitment to versatility defines Keychron's user-centric approach. Best Keychron Keyboard. Keychron Q6. The top choice from Keychron's Q series is the Q6. It's a full-size, premium keyboard with an aluminum case, durable PBT keycaps, and a softer typing feel due to its gasket-mounted design. Explore other sizes like the compact Q4 or the 10-keyless Q3. The standout feature is customization. You can modify switches, keycaps, and more. Great for keyboard enthusiasts, each board comes with a toolkit. For wireless options, check out the Q Pro lineup. Keychron Q6, great for programming and office use, well-built, excellent typing. Suitable for casual gaming but not ideal for home theater PCs due to wired connection. Overall, good for everyday use and gaming. Pros of Keychron Q6. Incredible build quality. Hot-swappable. Full RGB backlighting with individually lit keys. All keys are macro-programmable. Cons. Wired only. High-profile design may be uncomfortable without a wrist rest. Best mid-range Keychron keyboard. Keychron V1. Keychron's V series blends premium Q series and budget-friendly K series features, offering customizable mid-range keyboards. The compact, 75%. V1 is our top pick, but options include the slightly larger, 10-keyless V3 or full-size V6. Available in carbon black or frosted black with a Y2K aesthetic, these boards are lighter with high-grade plastic instead of aluminum, providing a slightly less premium feel. Still, the V series shares PBT keycaps and customization options with the Q6. VIA software enables RGB lighting, macros, and key assignments on any OS. Keychron switches, akin to Keychron, feature a stem box to reduce wobble. They may feel scratchy, but a touch of keyboard lube helps. 2 incline settings ease wrist strain, though a wrist rest may enhance comfort. Keychron V series excels in gaming, surprisingly good for office and great for programming. Not ideal for entertainment or home theater setups. Keychron V series pros. Excellent build quality. Full RGB backlighting. Easily customizable with hot-swappable PCB. Cons. Wired only. No included wrist rest for better ergonomic support. Best budget Keychron keyboard. Keychron K4. Unlike the wired-only Keychron Q6 and V1, the Keychron K4 is a budget-friendly wireless option. It connects via Bluetooth to 3 devices simultaneously or can be used in wired mode. However, its build quality and customization take a slight hit compared to pricier models. The K4 features lower quality ABS keycaps and an all-plastic build, affecting the premium feel of typing. ABS keycaps may develop shine over time. Despite these compromises, the K4 is still customizable, with an included keycap puller for easy changes. While lacking some tools of pricier models, Keychron offers various K4 versions on their website, including low-profile, backlighting options, and even an aluminum frame variant for a slightly enhanced build quality. Regardless of the version, the K4 provides a reliable wireless experience with a good out-of-the-box typing feel, a rare find in its budget price range. Keychron K4 is a solid office keyboard with LK optical brown switches. Decent for programming and home theater PCs, great for mobile devices, and okay for gaming. Keychron K4 Pros. Great build quality. Great typing quality. Bluetooth connectivity and multi-device pairing. Cons. No programmable keys. No wrist rest. Links to all the products are given in the comments box below. Thanks for watching.